Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. There are the times when we need a little something sweet to satisfy those taste buds but do not want added sugar because it leaves us in guilt when we eat salad full day and then ending a day with tub of ice cream. That's why fruit sorbets have become a favorite quick treat for our family, especially during the warmer months. So let's prepare sorbet, or also known as nice cream. Sorbet contains no dairy and it made with fruits. Today we are making very berry banana sorbet. It's a banana based frozen treat with mixed berries to make a tart and vibrant sorbet. The texture is similar to soft serve as it is frozen yet smooth. This recipe is friendly for vegan, raw, paleo and gluten-free diet. Not to mention, it's a fat-free. I got fresh strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and bananas from the store and froze them myself to ensure they were not full of added sugar. Take 1 cup of banana or 2 large bananas and half cup of each of frozen berries and put them in a blender or food processor. Blend until it gets smooth. You can enjoy it right away. And if you want ice cream like consistency, pop it back into the freezer for about 30 minutes. Let it freeze up a bit so it can be scooped and hold firm like traditional ice cream. But be careful, it will freeze like a solid block of ice if you leave it in for too long. And that's pretty much it. Simple and delicious, but also healthy. Win-win for everyone. If you face some problems while preparing it, probably this will help. If sorbet turns out too tart, if the flavor is too tart for your liking, try adding about a half teaspoon of sweetener, such as local raw honey, to balance it out. The other issue is if ingredients do not blend together. If you have trouble getting the ingredients to combine, you can gradually add tiny amount of liquid such as unsweetened non-dairy milk, fruit juice or even water. Or you can allow your frozen ingredients to thaw out a little bit beforehand so that less power is needed to blend. Sometimes we end up with something more like a smoothie. If you accidentally added too much liquid, you can always freeze the mix for about 30 minutes to get the consistency frozen enough to hold a rounded scooped shape. Hope this helps. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.